1,290 days on your Hang, fear and greed sitting at 23, which is extreme fear, and Bitcoin is currently trading at 54.3k. Then we had a pretty rough sell-off or a dump. Bitcoin was kind of correlating with the stock market after the recent job reports and decline during the in unemployment rate. Had a pretty rough sell-off there, and as you can imagine, Bitcoin was correlating with that dump, with that crash. So currently sitting at 54.3k. Again, the only support that we had, I told you it was a free fall below the 58k. The only support we got is the bottom of the falling channel, which was approximately, if you're gonna look at the yesterday, 52k range. So it was kind of the 52k bounce. We kind of had a bounce from that range. So yeah, obviously hoping to not have a breakout from the bottom of the falling channel. That would be pretty bad. But as far as we trading above it, that's pretty nice. So as you can imagine, trading at the bottom of the falling channel on a daily time frame, which is pretty bad. On a 4-hour time frame, no changes there. Trading below the 200 EMA. Same goes to the daily time frame, below the 200 EMA. Weekly time frame, currently trading at the range of 50 EMA. It used to work for us as support. Right now it's actually working for us as support, but on the weekly the candle was trying to have a breakout. No success there, no confirmation, no close for the current candle. I'm pretty sure we got 2 days left for the close on the current candle. We'll see how that would go. With support, which is 50 EMA, will hold. That would be pretty nice, but obviously on a weekly time frame also pictures looking pretty bad. Weekly MACD red zone, no bullish sentiment happening there. Monthly time frame, if you are gonna look at the candles, nothing significant, nothing special. We're still trading above the previous low, which is pretty nice, and we are not making new lows when it comes to the candles, so that is also nice. Monthly MACD signaling us a bearish sentiment, bearish flag, which is pretty bad. Obviously, not a thing you want to see there, but it's just what it is, what we got. Again, we got plenty of time for recovery when it comes to the monthly time frame, but reminding you that September is historically the worst month for the Bitcoin, so it was pretty expectable, I guess. And at the same time, Warren Buffett, right? It was like more than a week ago in news that he was dumping really fast his portfolio, was going to the cash, and yeah, he definitely knew something. Warren Buffett definitely knew something again. Big whales, they know some insider info, that's for sure. Ethereum is slightly outperforming Bitcoin when it comes to the recovery, but Ethereum had a bigger crash than a Bitcoin actually. If you're gonna look at that, Ethereum it was really close to the previous low. If you're gonna look at the Bitcoin, previous low was at beginning of August, and we're much higher than that. But Ethereum is slightly outperforming when it comes to the current candle. But obviously Ethereum BTC pair is trading at the bottom of the falling wedge, which is pretty bad if you're an Ethereum holder. BTC dominance dropping, sitting at, again, it tried like almost for a month. Yeah, it was a whole month of trying to have a breakout out of the 57.5% resistance. Again, no breakout, no confirmation of a breakout, and we got rejected there. Now we're trading at 56.9% BTC dominance. Ethereum dominance trading at the bottom of a 2-year low, 14.6%. And obviously because of the recent sell-off, BTC dominance dumping, getting rejected from a resistance, stable coins are pumping. People are slightly moving to the stable coins right now. Gold tried yesterday to have a pump to make a new all-time high, no success there, and currently having some slight pullback, pretty much in a range of the last 2 weeks. Nothing significant there, but yeah, S&P definitely had some rough day, rough crash. So Bitcoin reacted similarly to that. So that's pretty much all TA for today. Obviously hoping for the recovery and to go back at least to the middle of the falling channel, because trading at the bottom, oh boy, meaning we may see below the 50k, or at least we may, we don't want to see that. But again, it's just the beginning of the September, man. 3 days till the debate between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. We'll see how that would go. So let's move to the news. Bitcoin price reacts to US jobs report and declining unemployment rate. So yeah, it was not just Bitcoin reacting, it was the whole US financial sector was reacting pretty, it was pretty rat reaction there. Also, the odds of recession might be rising, saying Federal Reserve's Goolsbee. Again, more bearish news during the red candles, not surprising. Also pretty interesting news, Donald Trump suggests that he will lift sanctions against Russia because it's hurting the dollar. So meaning that it would be a profitable position for the dollar. Again, that's the suggestion from Donald Trump. Also, news from Binance and CZ. Again, recently CZ got out of the prison, and I'm pretty sure he's free now. So the words from the current CEO of Binance, Richard Tang, is saying that Binance founder CZ is banned for life from managing the exchange as part of his plea deal with US. Again, I don't know if it's only Binance or he in general managing any exchange. And because I'm pretty sure there was the guy, his name was Martin Shkreli, and he went in jail for some crimes involving also asset management, and he's banned from any type of asset management or involvement with asset management. So is this the same type of scenario when he's banned from any type of exchange businesses that involves exchanges, or just specifically Binance? Again, no specifics there, but I'm pretty sure he's referring to the Binance exchange. Also in the news for Binance Kazakhstan secure consent for full regulatory license from Astana Financial Service Authority. So again, Binance is evolving. Again, more adoption for the Binance, more adoption for the crypto in general. At least some positive news for today. So yeah, obviously hoping for a Bitcoin recovery and to go back at least to the 60k zone, which would be the neutralish zone of the falling channel in a daily time frame. Again, it would be above the 200 EMA. Yeah, we're definitely trading pretty low if you're gonna look at the 200 EMA on a daily. So yeah, hoping for a recovery and Again, September, the worst month in the history of Bitcoin. And also Warren Buffett knew. He definitely knew about the current crash, so he went to the cash. So to the moon, to the moon.